Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to contact support on Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to contact the support on Picsart, first open up a Picsart app on your phone as I've already opened it. And after opening your Picsart, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the person or a profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or a profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where at the top right corner you can see the three dotted icon available for us. On this interface, tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on settings button over here just above the logout button. Tap on settings, and when you land over here, scroll down till you can find the help category over here, and there is the contact support available for us just under the category of help. Tap on contact support, and over here guys you can see mail will be composed from the email where you'll be required to enter your issue. Here it says, guys, hey there, please describe the issue you're facing in the above line. So enter your issue which you are getting over here, for with which you want to contact it, with which you wanted to contact the support on Picsart. And after entering your issue, send the mail by tapping on the airplane icon at the top right corner of the screen, and the Picsart team will get back to you with a fix, or they will update and give the solution to it. And with that being said, guys, this is how to contact support on Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.